Hide post on Instagram without deleting them. You are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about that how to hide Instagram post without deleting them. First of all, requesting you like the video, subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Many times it happens with us that we post anything on Instagram and we don't want to delete them because we want to keep the memories, but we want to hide them from people so that they don't see what was on your Instagram. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos. Let's begin the video. This feature is not available for PC. We have to go to the mobile phone. Go to your app, and after that go to your profile and select out which you want to hide. I am going to hide this post for a while. Now how you can hide, just go to this option, three dots, and click on archives. When you click on archive, your post will be removed and no post is over here. That's the way you can remove. But if you want to check out your post again, just go to your profile and go to these lines, and after that go to this archive option. From there you have to choose these options, stories, post, and anything like this. This is the post. If you want to push this back onto profile, click on the post, click on the three dots and click on show on profile. That's it. It's gone back to the profile, restored. That's the way how you can easily hide and unhide a Instagram post. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend, don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.